Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another video Python course for beginners, and in this video we will learn about while loop. So what is loop? So basically loop is used to repeat some block of code or iterate our block of code until the condition is true. So if the condition is false, it will break the loop and comes out of the loop, but it will run some specific block of code until the condition is true. So let's take a look at the while loop. So we write while condition colon and create a block of code in for while block for while statement. So block of code. So this is syntax of a while loop. So we write a while keyword and write some condition and some code or some block of code. So that code will be repeated until the condition is true, and whenever the condition is false, it will comes out of the loop. So let's check an example. So we write while and condition a 10 greater than 5 and print hello world. Let's create a variable a equals to 0. So it will check a less than 10. So it will print this line hello world, and it will add 1 to the a variable. So basically it will check if a is greater than 10. So here the value of a is 0. So 0 is less than 10. So the condition is true. So it will enter the block and it will print this line, print hello world, and it will add 1 to the a. So it will be 1. So again it will run this line, run again the while loop and check the condition. So here the a will be 1. So it will check a is less than 10. So the condition is true. Then it will print this line again. It will add 1 to the a variable. So the value of a now is a. Value of a is 1. Then it will add 1. Then it will be 2. So it will again run the while loop. So that's how it iterate our when the value of a is 10, it will check the 10 is less than 10. So condition is false, then it will comes out of the loop. So print out of the loop. So let's run this. So it's printing hello world, hello world, hello world, and when the condition is false, it comes out of the loop. It's printing this line out of the loop. So it's printing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So it's printing hello world 10 times, because when the program starts, the value of a is 0, and it will goes on until the 10 is less than 10. So until the value of a is 10, and their condition will be false, and it will comes out of the loop. So I am incrementing the value of a. So if I does not increment the value of a, so its value always will be false. So it will check the value of a is 0 and 0 is less than 10. It will print hello world. It will again check the value of a, then again its value will be 0. So it will again print this value. So it will becomes an infinite loop, and it will never end until we exit the program, because this condition will not be false. This condition always will be true, because 0 is always less than 10. So the condition always will be true. So let's run this. So you can see here, this is printing hello world, hello world, hello world, and it's not stopping. This becomes an infinite loop, because the condition is true. It's not becoming false. That's why we use increment to increment one number or two number in some variable, and for the sometime it becomes the false condition. And you can also print the value of a. So whenever it goes in some block of code in a while block of code, it's called iterate. So when the condition, until the condition is false, until the condition is true, it will iterating the block of code. So let's run this. So first its value is the value of in this a in this iterate is 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 9. So then value of I becomes 10. It will comes out of the loop. So let's check the value of a. So the value of a becomes 10, and this condition becomes false. That's why it's comes out of the loop. So this is how while loop works. So it checks some condition and print some block of code until the condition is true, and whenever the condition becomes false, it comes out of the loop. So that's all for while loop, and we will learn more about loops, for loop, and more about Python in next videos.